everyone. Hi there, my YouTube friends, and wherever else people are watching this. Hello. Hi there. So I just filmed a video creating this journal page or this journal spread, and wanted to talk a little bit about it before I show you the time-lapsed version of it. So many of you, or most of you, know me for my more stylized, whimsical, non-realistic faces that you might describe as slightly more tightly created, or more, well, leaning towards illustration over painting. Although I suppose how one defines illustration versus painting is, I think, differs and varies a lot. But for myself, and if you've been in my art classes before, then you'll have heard me talk about how for the entirety of my art career, I've had kind of two parts within me somewhat at odds with each other. So I have a very kind of strict illustrator inside of me that likes clean lines and precision, and then there is the freer and looser artist inside of me that loves expressive strokes and messy play and looseness and expression over the sort of cleaner lines and the precision method. So for many years, these two sides to me have been sort of at odds with each other. And it's only been in the recent years, really, that I've kind of been able to sort of bring them together and have started to call myself an illustrator, a painter-illustrator hybrid. And what tends to happen is that at some points, and sometimes, my illustrator comes out to play more, and at other times, my expressive, looser painter comes out to play more. And lately, you may guess, my expressive painter has been begging, dying to come out more. And so again, if you followed me on Instagram or on Facebook, by the way, the links are below if you want to follow me there, you will have seen that I've been experimenting with what I call the painterly approach, or the painterly, playful, expressive, loose approach. And so this page, this journal spread, is an example of this approach and technique. So I'm excited to share it. I just wanted to let you know. I just had to comment on how different, or what the two different sides to me are, and how they've been sort of over the years been kind of really clashing, and eventually I found a way to sort of bring them together and allow them each their airtime, if you will. So just to let you know how it is for me, actually. And so today's journal spread is the time lapse of this beautiful creation. I think it's beautiful. I really enjoyed creating it. I hope you love watching me create it. And for those of you interested, I am prepping and planning a course on this particular style and method and technique. So keep an eye out for that in the future if you're interested in learning more about how to create portraits like this. I'll show you a couple of other ones that I've done in this style. This is sort of similar. This is still a little bit more. You can see how, well, this is a bit more, this is a bit of a mix, more of a mix of illustration and painterly. And this is quite a bit more painterly, as you can see. This is very much illustration, much more these bugs. Some of these are not finished. This is similar. This was sort of a similar design to this. This is painterly. Then I have another painterly one, but I sold that was done on a large page. This is actually also a bit more painterly. Here I tried to bring in the painterly approach in a whimsical face, which, hey, that's going to be cool as well. But there you go for now. So I've shown you a couple more painterly faces, but for this particular video I'm going to show you how I created this painting. So enjoy, and hope to see you around, or any of my classes, which you can find on www.willowing.org. I run many online art classes, and again, like I said, I'm planning a painterly portraits class soon, And if you want to be notified of when this goes live, do join the newsletter, the link of which I'll also pop into the description below, or up if you're on Facebook. And don't forget to click subscribe on my channel, and also click the little bell if you want to be notified of each time I upload a new video. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Much love. Bye.